Hey guys, welcome to this iPhone guide, and here I'll detail how to turn off Wi-Fi calling on iPhone. So if Wi-Fi calling is enabled on your iPhone, then this video is going to walk you through how to turn this off step by step. So if you don't know this, if you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Now, to turn off Wi-Fi calling on iPhone, all you just need to do is go to your iPhone settings. On the settings page, scroll down, just keep scrolling until you get to the phone app and click on it. So if you're using iOS 18, locate the phone app on the settings page and click on it. On iOS 18, scroll down and click on apps. Now once you selected app, scroll down to the phone application on the apps page. So just keep scrolling until you get to the phone apps. So once you see the phone app, go ahead and click on it. Now once you selected that, scroll down the page, then you should see Wi-Fi calling. If Wi-Fi calling with this iPhone is enabled in your own case, just like this, then go ahead and turn this off. So once you toggle that off, that's going to turn off the Wi-Fi calling on your iPhone. And if this is just like this, if you enable this, then this is going to enable Wi-Fi calling on your iPhone. So that is basically how to turn off Wi-Fi calling on iPhone. So if you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe.